Hey guys, Zoshi here, back in a video today. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can block ads on Twitch. So this is an easy method to use. I believe it only works on Firefox. I've only tested on Firefox. It might work on other browsers, but I do use it on Firefox at the moment because I did a previous video in 2025 and it only worked on Firefox. So it's a simple thing that you have to do. This only works on PC, doesn't work on mobile because the mobile ads are kind of embedded into the stream and there's no way to actually add one of these extensions to Twitch on mobile. So anyway, what you need to do is go to the description and download tampermonkey. So just click get from the store and then you'll just add it to Firefox real quick. And as you can see, I've already got tampermonkey installed. Then you go over to the Twitch Ad Solutions website, GitHub site. And then you go over to VAFT and then go over to user script real quick. And then you'll click on install here. Just click install, and if you go over to tampermonkey real quick, you'll see that it should be installed actually. Hold on, maybe I don't have it installed. We go to dashboard, and as you can see, Twitch Ad Solutions is installed. And then you'll just need to go over and download ublock origin. So download ublock origin, make sure that's installed. And then you just go over to Twitch, and then if you go over to any stream now, you'll see that there's no ads at all. You'll usually see at the top left that it says blocking ads. As you can see, blocking ads, it says here.
I think 9 class is gonna do
so it may lower the quality of the stream while it's blocking the ads. It will usually come back to normal quality after it's done. But at this point, it's kept the quality at 1080p and it's just blocking the ads. So yeah, this works. This has been working for months now. This is the 2026 method of blocking ads. All the links are in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.